Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best raised bed gardens that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Best Choice Products Raised Garden Bed 48 by 24 by 30 inches. The dimensions of this raised garden bed are 48 inches by 24 inches by 30 inches. The wooden construction means that durability is excellent. The depth of 4 feet makes it suitable for deep-rooted plants. The drainage holes allow you to drain out the water. The structure stands 30 inches tall, which means that it is much above the ground. Consequently, it has an ergonomic design as well. Also, there is a liner on offer which separates the wood from the soil. The liner increases the durability of the raised garden bed further. The heavy-duty construction, along with raised design, makes it an option worth buying. Moving on at number 4, we have Kingbird Reinforced Extra Thick 2-Ply Raised Garden Bed. How about the reinforced garden bed? The reinforced design increases the durability of the garden bed significantly. The wooden construction and galvanized paint further make it durable. The exact dimensions are 68 inches by 36 inches by 12 inches. The multi-layer design means that you need not worry about rust as well. You can use it in any weather. You also get T-type tags along with it and 2 free gloves. The vertical stripe design means that it is aesthetically pleasing as well. The reinforced construction, along with these ample features, certainly stands out from others. At number 3, we have Best Choice Products 8 by 2 feet Outdoor Wooden Raised Garden Bed. The raised garden bed that we are discussing now measures 8 feet by 2. Consequently, the area of the bed is on the higher side. The pre-sanded panels make it easy to assemble. There is an organizer on offer as well. The middle divider allows you to divide the bed area into 2 sections. The exact dimensions are 96 inches by 24 inches by 10. Moreover, it comes along with a liner as well, which is another advantage. You can use it for planting various plants like fruits, flowers, vegetables, and so on. The sturdy construction is another reason to go for it. The durable fir wood construction ensures that it is long-lasting. Thus, when you're looking for a raised garden bed that you can divide into 2 areas, you need not look any further. At number 2, we have Best Choice Products Raised Garden Bed. Are you looking for an even higher raised garden bed? If yes, you can consider this one. The dimensions are 48 inches by 24 inches by 32. The mobile platform means that moving it around is quite easy. There is a shelf below the bed, which ensures that there is plenty of storage space available. Moreover, with a garden bed liner, you can be sure that the bed condition is excellent. The 4 drainage holes allow you to drain the excess water. The movable design means that you can keep it in the sun or shade according to your requirement. The weight handling capacity is 100 pounds. If you're looking for a mobile raised garden bed, it cannot get any better than this. And finally at number 1. YAHEETECH Raised Garden Bed Kit. The dimensions of this raised garden bed are 96.7 inches by 24.6 inches by 10.6. When you look at the material, it consists of non-toxic fir wood. The thickness of the wooden panels is 0.6 inches. That is why the panels are highly durable. You can separate the bed area into 2 sections. As a result, using 2 plantation techniques is certainly possible. The assembling is easy as well. The low-maintenance design means that once you use it, you will not have to spend a lot of time maintaining it. The dual design is what helps it stand out. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.